In this video, you will learn how to flow text inside and around a shape in Inkscape. If you don't know how text tool works in Inkscape, then refer to its tutorial, its link is in the description. Now, for example, we have this text block, and we want to flow this text inside this polygon. To do so, we have to convert the shape into a frame for the text. For this, select both the text block and the shape. In the Layers tab, make sure the text block is above the shape. Now go to Text menu, and select Flow into Frame. As you can see, shape has become the frame for text and text is now flowing inside the shape. You can edit it anytime using the text tool. Even you can edit the shape, and the text will be adjusted accordingly, like this. You can also flow the text in multiple shapes. For example, we have these 3 hexagons. Select the one from where you want to start, let's say this one, and then with the Shift key, click on each shape in the order you want the text to flow through them, like this. Now, select the text, go to the Text menu, and select Flow into Frame. You can see the text is flowing through all 3 hexagons. If you read the text, you will also notice that it is flowing from this shape to this, and ending at this one. It is the same order in which we have selected the shapes earlier. You can change the flow of text as per your requirement by selecting the shapes in your desired order. You can unflow the text anytime. For this, select the text, go to the Text menu and select Unflow. Before moving forward, we have a small message for you. Are you looking for premium men's clothing? We have got a perfect place for you. Iazashin is your go-to for the coolest hoodies, crewneck sweatshirts, and long-sleeve tees in chic styles. We've personally checked them, they offer premium quality and designs. And the best part? Iazashin spreads joy with a 20% discount throughout December. Use promo code EASY20 at checkout. So, head to Iazashin now, apply EASY20, and grab your exclusive discount. Store's link is in the description. Now, let's say you want this text to flow around this circle. To make this method work, the text must be made flowed text, as we did in the previous example. Now, to flow it around this circle, first, select the flowed text and the circle. Go to the Text menu, and select Set Subtraction Frames. As you can see, text is now flowing around the circle because it has subtracted the shape from the text frame. If you notice, when we edit the text using the text tool, we get 2 handles. This is for adjusting text margins, like this. This is for the margin between the text frame and the shape we subtracted.